a food processor. Mix all the ingredients together with olive oil. 2. Form a light inosal paste. Then marinate all the quail and tie together the legs to keep it presentable and to cook more evenly. Add oil in a hot cast iron pan. Sear the inosal bird until golden brown. Flip and place in oven and cook the quail for 10 minutes, or until internal temperature of the quail reaches 165 Fahrenheit. Basmati Java rice seasoned with turmeric, tomato paste and another oil. A colorful and flavorful side dish that pairs with any game meat. Piled up the cooked wild game quail on top of Java rice, then drizzle with light peanut soy sauce. And that's it, share and enjoy.